time, baby.
I'm good. Let me play it out, please.
Next up is this week's edition of Sounds of the Game.
Oklahoma City Thunder versus Golden State Warriors.
40-something games in, legs getting a little tight.
Feels good. It feels good to be back home, playing in the NBA.
MVP.
Play hard, play together, talk to each other, get this win. Defend your home, let's go.
Let me know what's going on, okay? I ain't gonna get them all, but I'm gonna work hard for you, okay?
All right, baby, I know you got it.
All right.
Got to play 48 minutes, fellas. Just the first half. We got to play the whole half. Let's go. 48 minutes.
We gotta keep it tight. We're all right. There's a lot of basketball to be played.
You guys play harder than them, you'll win.
It's about our defense, guys. Hey, listen, we play great defense. We got to keep shutting them down.
We got to dominate the boards and the paint. We got to push, but we've got to take care of the ball. There's Lewis who got the stick. You must play harder. You must play harder.
Gets it into Posey. Posey will spin, drive to the basket, the layup off glass, good at the buzzer. James Posey has given the Hornets a win over the Wolves.
They are chanting
Finishes with 40.
Get another game to play tomorrow. On to the next one.